Tired of spending hours styling your hair? These 7 Parisian hairstyles will make you look effortlessly elegant in just minutes. From the timeless French twist to a chic textured bob, these styles work for any hair type and any occasion. Want to know the secret to effortless volume? Or how to style a messy braid that screams Parisian chic? Stay with me. You won't want to miss number 1, and don't forget to like, save, and subscribe for more easy beauty tips that make you look and feel amazing. 7. The textured bob for short hair. French women adore a chic, undone bob, effortless yet stylish, just like Léa Seydoux. It's a timeless look that enhances natural texture and works perfectly for short hair. Spritz sea salt spray, scrunch, and watch your hair transform into effortless Parisian waves. It's that easy. Finally, use a small flat iron to create soft bends for a natural, effortless look. For added drama, create a deep side part and tuck one side behind your ear. This asymmetrical touch instantly elevates the look, making it effortlessly elegant. 6. The sleek low knot. Effortless Parisian elegance. This clean, minimalist hairstyle is perfect for any occasion. Whether you're heading to the office or a dinner, it exudes understated sophistication with minimal effort. Brush your hair smoothly and gather it into a low ponytail, ensuring a sleek, polished look. Then, twist the ponytail into a neat knot and secure it with pins, keeping it firm and tidy. For a refined finish, apply edge control to tame flyaways. Add a pearl hairpin for an Audrey Hepburn-inspired touch, enhancing the elegance of this effortlessly chic style. 5. The scarf accented ponytail. A Parisian chic touch scarves are a signature Parisian accessory, effortlessly blending style and practicality. This hairstyle adds a touch of elegance while keeping your look playful and refined. Start by tying your hair into a high ponytail, ensuring it's sleek and secure. Then, wrap a silk scarf around the base, tying it into a bow for a classic touch, or letting the ends flow naturally for a relaxed vibe. Match your scarf color with your outfit for a polished, coordinated look. For a boho-inspired twist, braid the scarf into a low ponytail, adding effortless charm to your style. The voluminous blowout. Effortless Parisian glam. Inspired by the classic French salon blowout. This style is all about natural volume and effortless sophistication, creating a glamorous yet undone look. Start by rough drying your hair upside down to boost volume from the roots. Then, use a round brush while blow drying, lifting the roots to create fullness and movement without stiffness. For extra body, flip your hair side to side while drying. To add a retro touch, twist the front sections and pin them behind your ears, channeling vintage Parisian charm. 3. The low messy braid. Parisian effortlessness. This hairstyle embodies the effortless, I woke up like this elegance that French women love. It's relaxed yet refined, perfect for any occasion. Start by gathering your hair into a loose, low ponytail, keeping it natural and slightly undone. Then, braid it loosely and gently pull apart the sections to add volume and texture. For a truly effortless look, leave about 30% of your hair unbraided. Need a quick evening upgrade? Simply wrap the braid into a bun for an instantly chic transformation. 2. The half-up twisted bun. Effortless Parisian charm. This style perfectly balances casual and polished, making it a favorite among Parisian women for an effortlessly chic, everyday look. Start by sectioning off 2 front pieces of hair and crossing them at the back for a soft, natural effect. Secure the crossed section with a small claw clip, then twist the remaining ends into a mini bun and pin it in place for a delicate, refined touch. Tease the roots slightly to add volume, enhancing the undone elegance. For a stylish upgrade, pair this look with hoop earrings for instant Parisian glam. 1. The effortless French twist. Timeless Parisian elegance. A true symbol of French sophistication, the French twist has been worn by icons like Brigitte Bardot. Its versatility makes it perfect for both formal events and casual outings, offering effortless elegance with minimal effort. Gather your hair at the nape of your neck as if creating a low ponytail. Begin twisting it upward, keeping it close to your head for a sleek yet relaxed shape. Once twisted, secure it with 2 to 3 bobby pins, making sure to tuck in any loose ends for a polished look. Finally, pull out a few face-framing strands to soften the style and add a romantic touch. For a true Parisian feel, wrap a silk scarf around the base of the twist. Remember, a slightly messy look enhances the charm. Perfection isn't the goal. Effortlessness is. How to have healthy and shiny hairs. Healthy, shiny hair requires consistent care and nourishment. Start by eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and staying hydrated. Use a sulfate-free shampoo for gentle cleansing and wash with lukewarm water to prevent dryness. Deep condition weekly with a nourishing mask or oil to maintain moisture. Minimize heat styling and always use a heat protectant. Scalp massages improve circulation, promoting growth. Trim regularly to avoid split ends, and switch to a silk pillowcase to reduce frizz and breakage. Effortless, elegant, and undeniably Parisian, these 7 hairstyles prove that looking chic doesn't have to take hours. Whether you're embracing the undone charm of a messy braid or the polished sophistication of a sleek low knot, these simple styles will elevate your everyday look with minimal effort. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these Parisian hairstyles will you be trying first? Let me know in the comments. Your hair is now Parisian perfect, but what about your outfit? Click here for Petite Women. Avoid these 10 style mistakes now. It's packed with must-know fashion advice to enhance your look instantly. Stay stylish, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.